All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Funco shop vlog. Back here at the shop. Let's go inside, see what everyone's doing. We're actually gonna cook some tacos today for lunch. Oh, we got G over there. What up, G? Yeah, show the mural for Gil. The mural came out sick, man. Check it out real quick. Damn. Miss you, Gil. Oh, what's up, dude? I didn't see you down there.
What's up?
Jeff Pro, what up?
What up?
Haven't been in the vlog in a minute, man.
Nah, it's been a while.
How you been?
Good, good. Stay
Nice.
busy, man.
Nice. Fuck yeah, that one looks sick right there. And we got Hottie's car right here. Check out Hottie's car real quick. You guys probably saw us at the sand show. Still here in the US. Huh? Oh, Hardinius? Oh, okay. We got the G right here. Tip to the G.
Got a little mic on there?
Yeah. And we got DC. He's gonna help us cook today and film. That's my brother right there. Damn. Airbag shocks, guys. All right, G. Basically, like, what do we got here for what are we cooking today?
We got some, wait for rice and beans and shit to get here.
I don't know about
Ramey's, baby.
Yeah, Ramey's, right?
Ramey's carne asada.
Guys, if you don't know about Ramey's and Brawley, next time you go out to Glamis on your way in, stop by Ramey's Meats in Brawley and get some of this carne asada. It's so freaking good.
I got some for JT too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, maybe I'll
nice. JT.
Take it with your sport mode or then soft mode. Maybe soft.
What do you adjust it at?
Here.
Oh, you can adjust the shocks right here?
Right here, I think all this shit.
Oh, shit.
2022 go-kart.
Yeah, it's
Big
sick.
tires and wheels on it, shit. Looks pretty sick, the blue.
Guys, Funco's building this, or getting ready to build this 2022 Can Am. If you need cages and doors for these things, hit me up. Real quick, I just want to show you guys what a Can Am looks like with Funco doors and a Funco cage on it. This one's even got a wing on it too. Looks pretty good. But yeah, if you guys got any questions or want some more information about the doors or the cages, just head over to funcomotorsports.com and then you guys can go ahead and get a hold of Chad or Grant if you guys need to have more questions. So yeah, guys, like I said, this is the grill that we're cooking on today. It's the Blackstone 28-inch griddle. These grills are actually really good for Glamis. So you can cook for your whole camp. That's what we do sometimes. We cook for the whole camp with these things. And they work out pretty good. So yeah, stay tuned, dude. Just another reason why these Blackstone griddles are so popular out in Glamis is because that not only can you cook for a lot of people, but it's also that you won't stink up the inside of your trailer when you're cooking.
Wow.
Take a bite, G.
Thank you so much.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I just want to stop by the shop, get some clips for you guys, and make some lunch for them. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. out.